here are the key takeaways we are offering to you. That first of all, human pulse estimation is a product problem. So again, it's not a separate feature we can implement without like any correlation with the overall flow. Yeah. The second point is that it drastically augments the safe onboarding. Yeah. So when you implement human pulse estimation, it brings the real results. So the safety is a top priority, and then it might actually result into like good business figures for your startup, yeah, for your solution, for your app, because it will result into the retention and the revenue eventually. The also maybe not so satisfying point, but a real one, that production reality is messy, unavoidable. Yeah, there will be the edge cases, flaws, like incorrect model posing on the actual video, which we saw today in some of the samples. Yeah, so you shall be ready for this. As Alex said, it cannot be ideal, especially at the beginning when you just have the first data set, when you use not the most sophisticated model. So just be aware of it. We also need to realize that demos do not scale. Yeah, it will be like if you start with the prototype, in order to grow it to the actual application, next version, you need to make sure it's not the human pulse estimation model itself, right? There shall be this overall consistent flow around it. And it's interesting, yeah, that this pattern, this formula we have shared today is actually applicable for very different use cases, very different kinds of sports or fitness use cases. This safety plus guidance results in higher retention and eventually brings you revenue growth, which is very, very important, yeah, because we all would like to care not only about the technical aspects, but about the business outcomes, of course. Yeah, so as a like final thought, the human pulse estimation actually delivers the results when it's combined with AI, with product thinking, with safety first approach, and I would also say, yeah, with the right technical strategy to consider.